How to fix a nail pop. They are the worst as a homeowner. They can pop up at any time, anywhere. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this nail pop. For our project today, we got some spackling which you can get at Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, wherever you have around you. We have some sandpaper, and then we got a little screwdriver just in case. I'm not sure if the builder used nails or screws for the drywall, and then we got a putty knife here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this excess with the little putty knife there. So we got that removed. So we have got a nail instead of a screw, so I'm going to take my screwdriver and hammer and just kind of tap that nail back in a little bit. So in the same room I have another nail pop, and this time it is a screw instead of a nail, and so I'm going to use my screwdriver here and screw this back in. Alright, perfect, and we'll clear the excess there. Next, we'll use this spackling here to go ahead and fill our hole. With this spackling, once it turns white, then we know we're good to be able to start sanding it down a little bit. Last thing we need to do is go ahead and sand this down. So we have finished up sanding it and it looks really good. The hole is filled. It's the very last thing we need to do now is just paint over that. Hopefully you have the matching paint somewhere in your house, and now you've got your nail pop all fixed and ready to go.